My hair has been long, short, and everywhere in between. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain curly hair between wash days for every length. Hey guys, it's Bree True. I know it's been a while. My house is currently being sold and I'm buying a new house and my life is just in crazy chaos. But you don't care about that. What you want to know is what happened to my hair. So I recently got my hair professionally cut by a curly hair specialist and we took off all the chemically straightened and bleached ends. I still style my hair the same way. My styling basics video will be linked right here. However, how I maintain my hair in between wash days has changed. So that's what we're going to cover in today's video. So let's go to bed. So when my hair was long, I used to put it up on top of my head when I slept in a loose ponytail called a pineapple. I'm using my friend Ricky as a model for this method because now that I have big chopped, my hair is too short to be put in a ponytail without tons of pieces falling out. Thankfully, I was already sleeping on a silk pillowcase even when my hair was long. So now, all I do is crawl in bed and lay my hair over the back of my pillow. That's it. Part of the reason why I am able to do this is because of my silk pillowcase. A normal cotton pillowcase absorbs all our natural oils and moisture during the night, leaving our hair and our skin dry in the morning. Silk does not absorb our natural oils, so it helps our hair stay smooth and silky and not frizz overnight. And for those of you with acne, like me, don't worry about your skin getting worse with a silk pillowcase. A lot of the times, acne is actually an overcompensation of a lack of oils. So when people start using silk pillowcases and they're actually able to retain their natural oils, they often see their skin get better. That actually happened for me. Now there are other ways to protect your hair while you sleep, such as wrapping it in a silk scarf or using a silk-lined bonnet. I personally have not tried either of these methods just because I'm lazy. But then again, if you've watched my videos, you'll know what I'm about to say. What I prefer may not be what you prefer. So give it a try if you're interested in like a silk scarf or a silk bonnet. I'll leave a link to a silk bonnet down below that Mains by Mel uses, and if I were to get a bonnet, that's the one I would get. Alright, so that's how I maintain my hair overnight. But what do I do when I wake up? Well, here comes the kicker. Since getting my hair cut, I really don't do anything. But it wasn't always this way. When I was just starting my curly hair journey, I remember seeing people online and they would wake up with amazing second, third, fourth, even fifth day hair. And I just remember thinking to myself, my hair will never do that. And I was partly true. At that time, I had chemically straightened and bleached hair on my head, and it just was tangling overnight. It really could not withstand sleeping as well as my natural hair now can. I would often have to wear my hair up on the second and third day, and fourth day, forget it. And if I was trying to leave it down on the second or third day, I would have to do what's called a refresh. I genuinely do believe that this is because natural virgin hair just behaves differently than hair that has been treated in some way. Now, if you're about to click away thinking, oh, she just doesn't get it, I need to color my hair, that's who I am. Hang on a second. I do completely understand that. There was a time in my life where if I did not have red hair, I just wasn't me. And that's completely okay. And if you are in that boat and you need something else to help your hair in the morning, I'm going to go through 4 different ways to refresh your hair depending on how damaged or how treated your hair is. Number 1, complete re-wet. If your hair has been chemically treated in some way, i.e. keratin treatments, Brazilian blowouts, things like that, it can get really frizzy overnight, and if you wake up on a particularly crazy hair day and you just want to help it reset, you can do a complete re-wet without having to jump in the shower and wash and cleanse it. Tip your head over in the sink, or just kind of lean over in the sink. Maybe if you have one of those detachable shower heads, you can just lean your head over in the bathtub and just completely re-wet your hair. I don't mean like scrub it, you're not cleansing, you're not showering, you're just re-wetting it. Remember, the wetter hair is when styled, the less frizz there will be when it dries. Go ahead and add some more hold product that you use during your wash day, rub your hands together, and then scrunch your hair again. Now from here, no more touchy. Just let it dry however you decide, diffusing, air dry, whatever your preferred method is. When it dries, you'll be left with hair that definitely looks like a different hair than you woke up with, but didn't require the whole rewash process. Number 2 is a partial re-wet refresh. Wow. I need to make some better titles for these. We'll work on that. Particularly for like color treated hair or just transitioning hair that just needs a little bit of extra help in the mornings, you can do a partial re-wet to just help give it that extra oomph. For this, try mixing a little bit of your conditioner in with some warm water in a spray bottle. Now turn that spray bottle to more of a mist and go ahead and mist your hair all over. When you feel like it's a little bit damp, start smoothing over the tops of your hair. You can even use praying hands to smooth down some of those strands and help get everything to clump back together. Then go ahead and scrunch. You can even scrunch in some hold product if you'd like, and then let it be. It shouldn't take very long to dry because we did not completely re-wet it, but it will have a little bit of water to help lay down that frizz, re-clump, and help things just look a little bit shinier and happier. Okay, but what if I don't want to wet my hair at all because I have to go soon? Well, number 3 is a no water refresh. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this doesn't work for me, but it does work for other people. So what you need to do for this is take some of the styling product that you have used during your wash day, whether you decide it's the cream product or the hold product, put some product on your hands, rub your hands together, and without any water, just start smoothing over the hair. Try to detangle a little bit of big clumps if you need to, try to re-finger coil a couple pieces if it looks like it really just needs to be shown how to lay, and then go ahead and scrunch. With this method, you won't have any drying time. I think I'm just too heavy-handed with my product when I'm doing this. I think the key, if you want to do a no water refresh, is to use a very, very small amount of the product that you're gonna be putting on your hair. Number 4, I'm calling this don't sweat the small stuff. This is what I usually do in the mornings. I will just kind of get up, look at my hair. If it looks like it needs a little volume, I might shake out the roots a little bit. I will take a little bit of water on my hands and just glide it over the tops of my hair, putting down any little bit of frizz that I might see. I might take a couple big curl clumps and separate them if they've kind of clumped together overnight. And voila, done. Don't sweat the small stuff. The healthier your hair is, the easier it will be to do less in the morning. And for those times where you're really just not feeling it, accessorize. Try using a headband or putting your hair half up with a clip. Try to find that go-to style, whatever it is for you, that will help you feel cute and comfortable, even when your hair is not at its best. I really hope these tips gave you some good ideas to try in between your wash days. I will link my natural hair care for beginners playlist somewhere over here, I think. And go ahead and check that out, browse any of the videos that might be helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting this channel. Please let me know if you would like any other topics covered in this natural hair care series. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Adios. Wonder if you can see my pretend wink with my hair. This fringe tends to get in the way. It tries to sit like this. If you can't tell, I'm really bad at winking. Oh, that was the same eye. Apparently I can only do this eye.